In this brief video, you'll discover just how easy it is to change multiple index markers in FrameMaker using search and replace. First of all, let's take a look at our markers. If you look closely, you'll notice that there's a number of indices that have Arion 300 in them. And as I select those of that index marker, you'll see it jumps to various locations. Notice, however, that we do have one instance. This is Arion 1200. And we'll also notice, if we close this for a moment, that if we see our generated index, notice that there was only one instance of Arion 1200, but we have multiple instances of Arion 300. Now here and make all of the Arion 300s say Arion 1200. And we don't want to go in and manually edit this 15 or 20 times. So here's how easy it is to do. You simply select the marker that has the text you wish, and then with one simple click, you can do Edit Copy. We've now copied that to our clipboard. Now what we're going to do next will just amaze you. What we're going to do is use Find and Replace, and we're going to search for marker text. This is every instance of a marker that has got Arion 300 in it. And then we're going to replace by pasting. Now guess what that does? I'll do one manually first. This finds the next instance and I'll change it. Now let's take a quick look at our markers. And if we refresh the markers, you're going to notice something pretty phenomenal. We now have two instances of 1200. In other words, when I did a paste, it took that marker text and it put a new index marker on top of it. So to complete this, I'm simply going to say change all. And as I do this, it tells me there's 13 changes in the document. So notice how much time I save by not doing those manual edits. This can save hours of your time. And to prove to you just how powerful this is, the final thing I'm going to do is to save my document and then actually go ahead and regenerate a standard index. And as we do this, you'll see that in a matter of moments, here we are. Notice that the standard index now has only Arion 1200, not Arion 300. This is one more way that FrameMaker 12 can eliminate steps and speed up your work in a terrific way.